Welcome to our next lesson, Avyayani. Let me introduce some avyayas here. What are avyayas? Avyaya means indeclinable. What are indeclinables? Which are not a verb, not a noun or adjective, anything. These words cannot be declined in a tense or in a gender. These words don't have singular, dual, plural or any vibhakti or any purusha or kala. Purusha means person, kala means present tense, past tense or future tense. These words are called avyayani in Sanskrit. Let me introduce you some avyayas which are very important and very useful to construct lot of sentences. Api, also. Tu, but. Atra, here. Athava, or. Eva, only. Adhuna, now. Ekada, once. Na, not. Cha, and. Ataha, so. Idanim, now. Sada, always. Kutra, where. Tatra, there. Kada, when. Agre, in front. Paschad, afterwards. Kada, when. Prayaha, normally. Samyak, well. Diva, during daytime. Sahasa, at once. Sarvada, always. Satwaram, quickly. Parasparam, together. Shanaihi, slowly. Nityam, daily. Avashyam, sure. Ativa, very much. Katham, how. Ataha, so. Adhastad, downwards. Tushnim, silently, quietly. Kutra, where. Anyatra, somewhere. Bahudha, in many ways. Chiram, for long. Sadhyaha, at once, quickly. Na, not. Iva, like. It's not a verb. This is like that. Adya, today. Hyaha, yesterday. Shwaha, tomorrow. Tu, but. Khalu, indeed. Please read these words once again with meaning before going to the next page. Now I am moving to the next page. Some more words are introduced here. Ma, don't. Ekatra, in a place. Punaha, again. Va, or. Mithaha, together, with one another. Jhatiti, quickly. Prataha, morning. Sayam, evening. Tadanim, at that time. Bhuyaha, again. Ekada, once. Pura, once upon a time. Upari, above. Itastataha, here and there. Shighram, quickly. Imani vakyani patata. Read these sentences. Aham uchchaihi vadami. Aham, I, vadami, speak or say something. Uchchaihi, loudly. I say something loudly. Aham nichaihi upavishami. Aham, I, upavishami, sit. Nichaihi. Nichaihi means below, down. I sit down. Aham shighram davami. Aham, I, dhavami, run. Shighram, quickly, fast. I run fast. Aham kada bhojanam khadami. Aham, I, kada, when. Bhojanam, food. Khadami, eat. When do I eat food? It's a question mark. Aham aharnisham dhyanam karomi. Aham, I, aharnisham. Aharnisham means day and night. Dhyanam karomi, I do meditation. I do meditation day and night. Before going to the next page, I appeal the learners to go through these words once again. and also practice some sentences. Patata imani vakyani. Read these sentences. Surekha likhati. Surekha writes. Sureshaha api likhati. Suresh also writes. Api also. Chhatraha khelanti. Chhatraha students khelanti play. Rameshaha tu tishtati. Tu means but. But Ramesh is standing. Tishtati standing. He is not playing. Here tu cannot be used as the first word of a sentence, so that it is used as a second word in a sentence. Now we move on to the next. Aham atra pathami. I read here. Atra here. Balika tatra pathati. Balika reads there. Atra tatra. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Balakaha tatra pathanti athava likhanti. Balakaha children. Tatra pathanti. Tatra there. Pathanti read. Athava or doubtful question. Athava or likhanti write. It's again a question. Do children read there or write? Whether children are reading there or writing. We move on to fifth sentence. Adhyapakaha eva patham pathayanti. Eva only. Adhyapakaha eva only the teachers. Patham pathayanti. They teach the lessons. Adhuna now. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. Now you run. Now you are running. Ekada vayam Dilli nagaram agacchama. Agacchama is past tense verb. Ekada once. Vayam we all. Dilli nagaram to Delhi. Agacchama went. We all went to Delhi. Once we all went to Delhi. We move on to the next slide. I appeal all the learners to go through the sentences once again. Chhatraha asatyam na vadanti. Chhatraha students. Asatyam untruth. Na vadanti don't speak. Students don't speak untruth. Puja mala cha tatra chitram pashyatah. Puja and mala. Cha says and. In Sanskrit, we can use cha like this. Puja cha, mala cha. Otherwise, puja, mala cha. Puja and mala becomes puja, mala and. Otherwise, puja and mala and. We have to use and everywhere. Otherwise, one time towards the end. That's the procedure of using cha. Puja mala cha tatra there chitram a picture or a movie pashyatah see. They both puja and mala see a picture there. Next sentence. Aham rugnaha. Aham rugnaha. Aham I rugnaha deceased. I am a patient. Ataha so Vidyalayam na agacchami. Ataha so because of that. Hence aham I is understood here. Vidyalayam na agacchami. I don't come to school. Na says don't. I am ill. I am not well. Rugnaha not well. I am not well. So I am not coming to school. I don't come to school. Idanim aham Omana deshe vasami. Idanim now. Aham I. Vasami live. Omana deshe in Oman. In the country called Oman. Adya sayam aham udyanam gamishyami. Adya today, sayam evening. Both are indeclinables. Adya today, sayam evening. Aham I udyanam to garden. Gamishyami. Ishya says will. Gamishyami will go. I will go to garden this evening. Next, balakaha kutra sayam khelanti. Balakaha, students. Kutra, where? Sayam, in the evening. Khelanti, play. Where do children play in the evening? Where do children play in the evening? Kada pariksha bhavishyati. Kada, when? Pariksha, examination. Bhavishyati, will be held. When will be the exam held? Yada vrishtihi bhavati tada mayuraha nrityanti. Yada, tada. When yada is used, tada will be used. These are not given in the list, still we are teaching you. Yada, whenever, vrishtihi bhavati. Vrishtihi bhavati, it rains. Tada, then, mayuraha, the peacocks. Nrityanti, dance. Yada vrishtihi bhavati tada mayuraha nrityanti. Whenever it rains, then peacocks dance. Yavat aham pathayami tavat tvam atra likha. Yavat tavat, until, till then. Yavat means until. Tavat, till then. As long as, till then. Yavat aham pathayami, until I teach. As long as I am teaching. Tavat, till then. Tvam atra likha. Tavat, till then you write here. Then 17th, last sentence. Yatha narthakaha nrityati tatha nartaki api nrityati. Nartakaha, male dancer. Nartaki, female dancer. Yatha, as if. Nartakaha nrityati, the male dancer is dancing. Tatha, in the same way. Nartaki api nrityati, the female dancer also dancing. As the male dancer is dancing, same way the female dancer also, that is also a indeclinable, also dancing. So these are some sentences given using the avyayani. I appeal, my dear learners, to try some sentences and send it to us. That will be published by your name in the websites. Thank you, children. Dhanyavadaha.